Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and this is Mrs. Cali Cat. Say hi, Miss Cali Cat. Oh, you can say hi louder than that. Say hi. You silly girl. You silly girl. Alright, so today we have a Birch Box. Birch Box is a monthly beauty and makeup, skincare, all that good stuff. They send you little samples. I think it's 5 deluxe samples in each box, and it's $15 a month. Now, of course, if you subscribe to 12 months, if you commit to those 12 months, it's $13 a month instead of $15. And if you use the code VIP50, you get 50% off your first box, which is great. They also have it where you can, order the full-size version of these products if you find something that you like. So I'm just gonna open this up. Miss Callie went over there to get her a bite to eat. And here's what we got inside of our Birch Box. Cute box. Look, y'all. Slides. I love it when they're a little more inventive with their boxes. These are reusable. They are not as sturdy as some of them, but they're still reusable. Really cute. Just adore it. And it does say on the back, reuse me. Cute little box. And that's what it looks like. Wake up to the skin of your dreams. No, really, this month's curated skincare samples will leave you glowing morning, noon, and night. Get ready to wind down and wake up with these age rewinding treatments and radiant restoring masks. Oh, masks. I love masks, y'all. I did one last night. I can't remember the brand of it, but it was supposed to be like soothing and help my skin. I'm having such a hard time with skin lately, so I hope they are like sensitive skin. Let's just open it. All right, so here are my samples, and we're just gonna dig right in. This is Onekind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. The full size of this is $38. To make sure I was holding it right side. This moisturizer likes in hydration as you sleep to ward off signs of aging like dullness and fine lines. It's fast absorbent, non-greasy formula leaves your skin dewy and glowing. That sounds nice. I just hope it's sensitive. Okay, this little bottle is so clear, I can't read what's on it. Okay, it's number 4. Fluorios 5 Elixir Restore and Repair Oil. Full size of this is $26. This lightweight oil repairs and restores shine without weighing hair down. Apply onto damp hair before styling to smooth or onto dry hair to add extra shine. All right, so this is for your hair. I could smell it. It's like a little florally. I didn't even look to see if I could smell this one. It's sealed. All right, this is Stress Cheek Kind Hands Soothing Hand Cream for dry, overwashed hands. Oh, wouldn't this be perfect for a nurse? This is from thisworks. Now, thisworks makes a product I absolutely love. It's always been a little more where it's kind of an indulgence thing when I buy it because it is a little pricey, but it's one of those things you spray on your pillow. It helps you sleep at night. It really does work. I wish I could remember what that was. I'll have to look it up and see if I can find it. But this is, the full size of this is $22. This deeply moisturizing hand cream with vitamin E and shea butter for dry and sensitive hands provides relief from the efforts of overwashing. Massage into dry hands. I love all kinds of hand creams, y'all. It is almost an obsession for me. I will put lotion on, then I'll put body butter on, and I almost can't go to sleep at night if I haven't done it. I'm so weird. Okay, so this is balanceme AHA Glow Mask. I do have another balanceme product. Don't know if I've used it yet, but I know it's in there somewhere. The full size of this is $29. This face mask will brighten, purify, plump, and reveal all natural, more youthful, a luminous glow. Smooth over, cleanse cheek and neck, avoid eye area, leave on for 15 minutes. So that's cool, just a little mask in a bottle. And this is Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. Deeply exfoliates the dull surfaces of your skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. This is sundayriley. The full-size product of this is $85. This best-selling, high-potency lactic acid treatment exfoliates dead skin scales, plumps fine lines, and evens out hyperpigmentation, and boosts your skin's glow. Oh, wouldn't it be nice if it did do the hyperpigmentation? You know, I got all those issues. I'm gonna go to the dermatologist, y'all. I just gotta figure all that stuff out. But yes, super cool. $85 for the full-size product. Wow. Okay. So this is what was in this month's Birch Box. What do you think? I mean, these are small products for $13 or $15, depending on how long you subscribe to them for. Part of me thinks, no, I'd rather pay for one that I get a full-size product. The other part of me thinks this is awesome because this is a great way to try these products, see if I'm going to react to them, and then, you know if I need to buy them or not. So let me know your thoughts on it. I'd love to hear what you think. Don't forget, you have that VIP 50 code if you want to get 50 off your first box. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends, and press that notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.